Welcome back, students, to the sixth session of Basic to Advanced Java series, where you and me are going to learn, code, and execute Java problems together. So, our problem of the day is to sort an array. You all know what is an array. So, how we will sort it? We are not going to use any algorithms. We are not going to use anything. We are going to use the methods of Java. And how we are going to use that? For that, we have to import a Java utility package, which is java.util.arrays. This is the package that provides us the methods, utility methods for array manipulations, which means we can sort the array and convert the array into strings. And now and why we are going to convert the array into strings, you will see in few minutes. For that, let us create a public class. Let us create the entry point of our class. Now students, let us initialize an integer array, not any other array, an integer array. Let our numbers be 5, 6, 8, 2, 3, 1. Now students, we are going to call the sort method of array. We are going to call the sort method of arrays package. And how we are going to do that? We are not using any algorithms. We are just calling the methods of Java. It will automatically sort our array. Java arrays dot sort. What's the name of our array? It's ARR. Now students, we just have to simply print out our logic. But there is a catch here. We don't have to print out the array here. We have to print the array here as a string. So for that, in previous session what we used, it was using toString. So now we'll be using toString method of array package, arrays dot toString, and what we are going to make a string into the array ARR. Let's run our code, students. Voila, our array has been sorted. So this is our desired output, students. Keep learning, keep practicing. Signing off.